Hi folks, Ian Wallace Harper, Chatbot Ninja, and it's time for another quick snippet of BizStackPro basics. And today I'm going to show you a little trick to help you add subdomains. Not a main domain, but a subdomain. And that is on both on GoDaddy or on any domain registrar. So I'm going to do it on Namecheap and also on GoDaddy, and I'm just going to show you where to find it and what to do, and to make it easy for you to add a subdomain. Okay, so I'm going to share screen, and I'm going to go to I'm going to go back to here to my Namecheap. Now, I already done this. Did this with my Ninja Marketing Boss, and all it is changing one CNAME record, and it means what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to go back to my domain list, and I just added BizStackPro Asia to my BizStackPro. Now, if we go to manage and we go to advanced DNS, and we've got the CNAME record. Now we want to go in here, and instead of the www dot, we want to put in a star, and then tick to add the name change. Tick it, and that's it. That's all it is. All done. So let's go back to GoDaddy, and we're going to go and do the same with the DNS records for the ones I've just added. And I'm going to go to here, the CNAME, where it says Sites Ludicrous Cloud. I am going to go into Edit, and I'm going to change this to a star. And then I'm going to save it. It's updating the records, and it's all done. So CNAME is done. CNAME is done. Okay, so now what I want to do now is I'll go and test it. Yeah. So we're going to go here. We're going to go back to settings. Yeah. Okay. And if we have a look here, we should have more. So I've got Ninja Marketing Boss, and I got www dot marketing boss connected. So let's go back to the previous one, and we're going to go and check BizStackPro.biz. I want to add maybe an email, let's say demo at BizStackPro.biz. So we're going to go to here, and we're going to go to add a domain, and we're going to put in demo dot BizStack Pro dot biz. And then we're going to continue. Setting up the domain. Your domain provider is GoDaddy. Authorize the domain. It will go and set it up. Connect. Close it. Authorizing. This should be pretty simple. It should find it. It should set up the domain pretty easily. Okay, obviously it's, let's go back again. Try again. Do it one more time and then we'll refresh to make sure, to see if it's actually added. Okay, we're going to X out of there. Let's go to look at the GoDaddy one, and let's have a look, see if it's added anything in there. And we're going to go. I'm going to refresh. Doesn't need to check. It doesn't change anything in here because it's already found the star. So if we go back to here, and we close X out of here and refresh here, we should find it here. It's not actually done it. Oh, no, it's not actually done it. All right. BizStackPro BizStack www. It hasn't found the thing. It's not connecting through the lead connector. Well, let's do the Namecheap one instead, which is the BizStackPro Asia. Yeah. Okay. And we'll say okay. And we'll go add. And I want demo dot BizStackPro BizStackPro Asia. Continue. And it's setting up the domain. And let's see. So set up the domain, verify the record. Because it's got a wildcard in there, it should work. There we go. We didn't even have to change it. All we had to do was verify it. We can link the domain. Let's have website building demo again and link it to that one. Everything's linking to the demo. So you can have more than one linking to that demo. Okay. So BizStackPro. Now the GoDaddy one looks like it's not working correctly, or it's only working intermittently. So maybe you have to put in the the BizStackPro manually, or keep on trying to do that. Anyway, that is how to connect or have connect your subdomains to your registrar. If you put in star in the host of the CNAME, then it will find it automatically, or should find it automatically, and connect it up. So there we go. Thank you for another bite-sized training on BizStackPro. See you in the next video. And don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell, and please like my videos.